Hello students, now I am going to explain the lesson ways to multiply and divide. In this chapter, we should learn the multiplications and divisions. First, I am explaining the multiplication. This is 65 into 31. Here see, we should multiply 65 with 31. First take this ones place 1. This ones place 1 we should multiply with 5. 1 5 is 5. And next this one goes to tens place. First this ones place 1 multiply with ones place. Next it goes to tens place and multiply with tens place. So 1 6 are 6. Next, this place we should keep into R0 and leave it. We should start from here. We are taking here tens place number. This 1 plus 1 completed now. So, now this tens place 3 comes to 1's place first. 3 5s are 15. Here double digit came. When the double digit numbers are coming, first 1's place 1 we should write here. Next 3 6 are 18. 18. With this 18 we should add this 1. 18 plus 1 19. So 5 plus here nothing is there. So 5 plus 0 5 only. 6 plus 5 11. In this 11 1's place we should write here and 10's place we should write here. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 in 1's place. So, 1 plus 1, 2. 2015. Like that, we should do the all multiplications. And another one also I am explaining in this multiplication method. Here see, 32 into 46. 6 first 1's place we should take. 6 2's are 12. 1's place 1 only first we should write. Next 6. This 6 go to 10's place. So 6 3's are 18. 18 plus 1 19. This first 1's place we should keep into all one time completed and next time going to 10's place. So 4. 4 2's are 8. Directly I am writing here 8. Why? Because this is single digit only. If double digit coming means we should write 1's place here. And 10's place 1 we should add with the next number. 4 3's are 12. 12 I am writing here directly. 2. 9 plus 8 17. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. 1472. Like this, we should do the all multiplications. Next, we have some other questions according to this multiplication. See, Chandran is a special cook when comes only on party days. Last year, he was called for only 28 days. Only 28 days he came to cook. He is coming at the special days only to cook the food. For each day he has to pay 165 rupees. Find out the how much money he'll get in all. 165 rupees for one day. One day Chandran taking 165 rupees, but he is coming in the special days only. Last year he came 28 times. He came 28 times. That means total how much money he'll get for one day 165. 2 days means 165 into 2 like that. Or 10 days means 165 into 10. Like that how many times he came? 28 times. So 165 into 28 we should multiply. See, 8 5's are 40. So, in one's place we should write here 0. 8 6's are 48. 48 plus 4, 52. For this 52, we should write here in ones place 2. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Next 2 5s are, next we should go for next one. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1, 30. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Do the addition. Total how much money he is getting in 1 year? 4,620 rupees. Next, if he is called for all the days of the year, how much salary will he get? For 1 year, how many days? For 1 year, 365 days. For 1 year, 365 days. How much money he'll get for 1 day? For 1 day, he'll get 165 rupees. How much money he'll get if he come in whole year? That means if he came 365 years, how much he'll get? For 28 days, we did 165 into 28. But here, how many days for 1 year? 365 days. So, we should do the multiplication in triple digit. First one digit, 5 5 is 25. So, right here, 5. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Next we should keep here into. Next what number we should take? Tens place number we should take. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 3, 39. So 1s plus 9 we should write here. Next 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Next time we should do this with 3. First we did with 5. Next we did with 6. Next we should do with 3. Third digit. First I said we should keep here into a 0. We don't try to end. Now in two places, this ones place and this tens place, we should keep intos. So 3 5s are 3, first we should do it ones place only. 3 5s are 15. Ones plus 1, 5. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Do the addition. 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 4 plus 2, 6. 60,225 rupees he'll get whole year. Next, Sohan drinks 8 glasses of water every day. For 1 day, he drinks 8 glasses of water. How many glasses he drink in 1 month? He drink in 1 month. For 1 month, actually, for February, for March, if they like asked at the time for February how many days, March how many days, we should write like that. Generally, 1 month means we should take 30 days. February means 28. March 31. Like that we should take. But generally 1 month they ask us. So we should take for 30 days. 1 day he is drinking 8 glasses. For 30 days, how many glasses he is drinking? 8 0 0. 8 3 is 24. 240 glasses he is drinking for 30 days. How many glasses will he drink in 1 year? 1 year. 1 year means how many days? 365 days. But for 1 day, 8 glasses. For 365 days, how many glasses? We should multiply with 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 4, 52. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5, 20. 2,920 glasses Sohan drinking in 1 year. Next, If 125 people living in a colony drink 8 glasses of water in one day, how much water will they drink in 1 year? For one person, we know 8 glasses for one day that he is drinking, and for 1 month, how much drinking, and how much for 1 year. But here 125 people in colony, they are all are drinking 8 glasses. Now 125 people, they are drinking for one day. For one day 8 glasses. For suppose 2 people means 2 people, 2 into 8 16 glasses, 3 into 8 24 glasses. Like that 125 people, they are drinking 8 glasses for one day. So this is for one day. One day, how many glasses of water they are drinking? One day glasses. 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16 plus 4, 20. 8 1s 8 plus 2, 10. 8 5 is 40, so 0. 8 2s 16 plus 4, 20. 8 1s 8 plus 2, 10. 1000 glasses water they are drinking in one day. That means for 30 days. But they are not asking for 1 month, but they are asking for 1 year. 1 year, 1000 into, for 1 year how many days? 365 days. 365 days. One day 1000. 365 days, that's why 300. Directly I am writing, but I will do 500, 500, 500, 510, 5. We don't write here. 6 table 600, 600, 600, 610. With 3 table 300, 300, 300, 310. So 0 plus 0, 0, 5. 3,65,000 glasses of water they are drinking in 1 year. Next, if Soha's heart beats 72 times in a minute, how many times does it beat in 1 hour? For 1 minute, 72 times. For 1 hour they are asking. 1 minute heart beats 72 times. 1 hour means for 1 hour how many minutes? On 1 hour 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 1 minute 72 times. 2 times. For 60 minutes how many times? We should multiply 72 into 60. 0 2 0, 0 7 0, 6 2 12. 6 7 42. 42 plus 1, 43. For 1 hour, 4,320 times the heart beats. For 1 minute, 72 times. For 1 hour means 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 72 into 60. 4,320 times. Now find out how many times it beats in 1 day. 1 day. 1 day means how many hours? 24 hours. For 1 day, 24 hours. For 1 hour, 4,320 times for 1 hour. 2 hours means into 2. 3 hours means into 3. But they are asking for 1 day. 1 day means 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 1 day, 1 hour beats into 20. That means 400, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 1's place we should write here. 4 4 16 plus 1 17. 2 0 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Add this. Total how many times the heart beats in 1 day? Heart beats in 1 day 1,03,680 times. 1,03,680 times. Next, they are asking another. Count your own heartbeats to find out how many times your heart beats in 1 week? Generally, anyone's heart for 1 minute 72 times. For 1 minute 72 times means for 1 hour 4320 times. For 1 day 1,03,680 times. For 1 day we know that, but they are asking for 1 week. 1 week means how many days? 1 week means 7 days. So 1,03,680 into 7. 707, 7 8 56. So 1 plus 6 we should write here. 7 6 42. 42 plus 5 47. 7 3 are 21. 21 plus 4 25. 7 0 0. 0 plus 2 2. 7 1 7. 7 lakhs 25,760 times the heart beats in 1 week. In 1 week, how many times the heart beats? 7,25,760. In this all, we should learn must multiplication. Big multiplications are coming. If you did one mistake, answer total will be wrong. Next question. A baby elephant drinks around 12 liters of milk every day. For one day, baby elephant is drinking 12 liters milk. For one day, it drinks 12 liters. At that time, how much milk will it drink in 2 years? For 1 year, 365 days. For 2 years, 365 plus 365. 730 days. For 1 day, 12 liters. 1 year 365 days. 2 years, they are asking for 2 years. 2 years means 730 days. 730 days into 12 liters. 2 0 0. 2 3 6. 2 4 12. 1 0 0. 1 3 3. 1 7 7. 8,760 liters of milk an elephant is drinking. Okay. A baby blue whale drinks around 200 liters of milk in 1 day. Just imagine how much milk that is. Find out in how many days of your family would use 200 liters of milk. How much milk would the baby blue whale drink in 8 months? For 1 day, 200 liters. They are giving here. See, a baby blue whale drinks around 200 liters of milk in 1 day. 200 liters milk it's drinking in 1 day. Baby blue whale. Next, just they are asking find out how many days of your family would use 200 liters of milk, and how much milk would the baby blue whale drink in 8 months. For 1 month, 30 days. We know that for 1 month, 30 days. 8 months, that means 30 into 8. For suppose 2 months means 2 into 30. 3 months means 3 into 30. Like that, how many months they are asking? They are asking for 8 months. That means 240 days. 240 days for 8 months. Here we know that 1 day how much milk it's drinking. 200 liters milk blue whale drinking in 1 day. That means how much milk it drinks in 240 days? 0 0 0 4 0 0 4 0 0 4 2s are 8 2 0 0 2 0 0 2 2s are 4 0 0 0 8 4 48,000 liters of milk it's drinking in blue whale drinking in 8 months. Okay. Next, talking about 3 fields. For that fields, we should find the area. Here see, like this, one place is there, 27 meters and 28 meters. Area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. Here 28 into 27. Do the multiplication here. 28 into 27. 7 8 are 56. 7 2 is 14 plus 5. 19. 2 8 are 16. 2 2 are 4 plus 1 5. 756 meters square. Like that we have another 2 also do that. Next, Tulasi and her husband work on Kaurunya's farm. The government had said that farm worker should pay at least 71 rupees for 1 day's work, but he pays 55 rupees to Tulasi and 58 rupees to her husband. Tulasi works for 49 days. How much money does she get? Actually, government said that the farm worker should pay at least 71 rupees for 1 day, but they are paying some less only. For Tulasi, 55 rupees. For Tulasi, 55 rupees. And to her husband, 58 rupees. Here they are asking some questions. See, if Tulasi works for 49 days, how much money does she get? 1 day's money is 55 rupees. She is working 49 days. That's why 55 into 49. 9 5 is 45. 9 5 is 45 plus 4, 49. 4 5 are 20. 4 5 is 20 plus 2, 22. Next, here, if her husband works for 42 days, how much money does he get? 42 days, husband. Husband works for 42 days. 1 day he is getting 58 rupees. If he works for 42 days, 58 into 42, 8, 16. 2 5 is 10 plus 1, 11. 4 8 is 32. 4 5 is 20 plus 3, 23. 2436. Find the how money they earn together. We should add those two only. Add together and together we should add these two. Next, I show this in the newspaper. Government of different states have said farm workers should not be paid less than the salary a day. Here, Haryana 135 rupees, Rajasthan 73 rupees, and Madhya Pradesh 97 rupees, Orissa 75 rupees. This is the announcement in newspaper. For the farm work, which state has fixed the highest amount? Which state has fixed the lowest? Which is the highest amount? 135 rupees. That is the Haryana. Which is the least amount? 73. That is the Rajasthan. Bailang Singh is a worker in Rajasthan. If he works for 8 weeks on the farm, how much will he earn? 8 weeks. 8 weeks. 1 week means 7 days. 8 weeks. That means 8 sevens. 56 days. 56 days. In which state he is working? Rajasthan. For 1 day, 73 rupees. That time, 3 6 are 18. 3 5 15 plus 1. 16. 7 6 are 42. 7 5 35 plus 4. 39. 4088 rupees he will get. Neelam is a worker in Haryana. If she works 2.5 months on the farm, how much will she earn? 2.5 months they are asking. 2 months means 60 days. 1 month 30 days. 2 months 60 days. 2.5. Half month means 15 days. So 60 days plus 15 days, 75 days. For these 75 days, where she did the work in Haryana. Haryana's 1 day's money is 135 rupees. 75 days she did work. How much money she will get? 5 5 is 25. 5 3 is 15 plus 2, 17. 5 1 is 5 plus 1, 6. 7 5 is 35. 7 3 is 21 plus 3, 24. 7 1 is 7 plus 2, 9. 5 plus 7, 12. That means 10,125 rupees she is getting for 2.5 months. How much more will a farm worker in Madhya Pradesh gets than worker in Orissa after working for 9 weeks? Here, two members working samely 9 weeks, but one member working in Madhya Pradesh and another one working in Orissa. Madhya Pradesh also 9 weeks. 9 weeks means 9 7 is 63 days. 63 days they are working in Madhya Pradesh and 63 days they are working in Orissa. 9 weeks they said 9 7s are 63 for 1 week 7 days. 2 weeks 14 days. Like that here's 9 weeks. 9 weeks means 9 7 63. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s 27 plus 2 29. 42. 58,491 in Madhya Pradesh. 6 5 30. 6 7 42 plus 3 40. See here. Addition. Here, Madhya Pradesh 97 rupees for 63 days and Orissa 75 rupees for 63 days. 3 7s 21. 1 we should write here. 3 9s 27. 27 plus 2 29. Okay. 6 7s 42. 6 9s 54. 54 plus 4 58. 1 11 11. So 6111 here. 4,785. How much more? What is the difference? Who is getting more money? Madhya Pradesh. Who did the work in Madhya Pradesh? That member got more money than who did the work in Orissa. How much they got more money? Do the subtraction. 6,111 minus 4,725. See this. From 1, 5 will go. No, we should take borrowing from here. 11 minus 5, 6. So, next from 0, it will go. No. So, we should take borrow. 10 minus 2, 8. From 0, 7 will go? No. You should take borrow. 10 minus 7, 3. 5 minus 4, 1. Here see how much difference they got here. 1,386 rupees. 1,386 rupees. Okay students, tomorrow I will continue the remaining.